Brats, have you watched some of the live streams and you've noticed sometimes Nat accidentally pops in, not realizing that I'm recording? Well, an amazing supporter of the channel, Cheryl Cisneros, she has offered to fix that problem for us and sent us an exciting package to open up today. Let's check it out. It's big, it's kind of flat, it's got some tape. Always have your small, sharp unboxing knife. Make sure you don't hurt anybody around you.
Wow, Toast, that's the biggest sword I've ever seen in my life. Absolutely massive. So
where are you?
Just sharpened this morning and I can tell it is cutting right through that tape. That's why it's important to have a sharp knife. Then you don't end up trying too hard and hurting yourself. Boom. Dual color LED design. I'm trying to be careful with this because I don't know how fragile it is. But right here, it's got the power cable. It's got an inline power button. We'll try our other knife here for the tape. Boom. It's got a nice long cable. Looks like it's about 6 feet to the power box, but then it's only about 1 foot to the where you're actually gonna plug it in. So hopefully you're gonna plug this in somewhere you can reach the button easily. Don't need those. They really packaged this thing up to make sure it didn't get hurt. Comes with some gloves for setting it up so you don't get fingerprints all over it, and some cables to hook it up on the wall. I guess I should glove up. Ooh, these are fancy. These feel like silk. And the glove does fit. I feel like Mickey Mouse right now. Woohoo! I don't know if that's just a cover or if that is used with it, so I'll hang on to that. Oh, so it's dual layered. All right, let's hit the lights so you can actually get a good look at what this thing looks like. All right, and on it goes. Boom. So now, I touched it. In messing with it, we did notice, unfortunately, it's got a little, it's got a crack here in the corner where the wires hold in, and it's causing one of the wires to short. So basically what you have is 2 LED strips inside. One is blue running to one panel of acrylic and one is white running to the other panel, so it makes this two-tone contrast look. Fortunately, we're probably gonna have to send it back for an exchange because you can see it's it keeps shorting out when it's being moved. But it will look gorgeous when we have a functioning one and we can have this set up down in the recording studio, and then Nat will know that it's recording. I wanna say a huge thank you to Cheryl who sent this to us. I'm sorry that we're gonna have to probably exchange it once to hopefully get one that does not have that crack in it, but I don't know if that's Amazon's fault, if that's shipping, if that's the design. It does look like there's a lot crammed into here as far as the wires and everything go. So I am a little concerned about the overall build quality, especially because I know she paid quite a lot for this. So if you're looking for something like this, I'm not sure I'd recommend the company that this one came from. Yeah. I feel so bad saying that, but I really appreciate it, Cheryl. I really appreciate the way it looks, and we'll get it exchanged. We'll get the right ones that we won't hopefully have to worry about that again. So we're not gonna finish this here. We'll have to wait till a new one comes in, and then we'll go record mounting it up in the studio and show it to you there. So we'll be back. So after a few weeks and a slight battle with Amazon, we got them to replace the one you saw in the first half of this video that was broken. So we'll just do it real fast. We'll get this thing open real quick. You know, nothing major. Oh, wow. Wow, that cuts really good. This is the first time using this, and this cuts really good. If whoever sent this to me still hasn't told me by now, I really want to know who you are. But it's not like the other swords that we've used that I have to fight with to cut the tape. This feels like if you're not careful, you're going to take your finger off. I don't see a crack currently in it, but as you saw in the last video, the design, because these 2 pieces of acrylic are separated, there's a space in the center. If you were to accidentally open this up too far at the bottom, it would likely crack this no matter what, because it's gonna put a tremendous amount of pressure. But at least at this point, it doesn't seem to be cracked at all. Glorious, beautiful, and unbroken. I can move the cable around and it doesn't flicker the light. I'm super excited to have this up in the studio now. And I'm actually gonna utilize it properly so that when I'm recording, Nat will know if she starts to walk in, she sees this on, she'll know, hey, he's recording right now. I can either walk in or not. What if she wants to, she still can, but less awkward moments running in front of the camera. Another huge thank you to Cheryl who sent this to me. This is super gorgeous. I'm gonna go get this hung up in the studio right now. Maybe we'll show you a couple shots of it in place in the studio too, but it's super awesome and gorgeous. So thank you so much for being here, checking this out. To all of you who've been sending gifts to the channel, it's incredible. I don't know what to say. It's one thing when companies send us something to review. I still appreciate that they do, and that's really awesome. But like when supporters send something, it is just such an incredible, it's an incredible thing that anyone would want to do that. So thank you so much. Thank you for spending some of your time with me here today, and I will see you in another reality.